gonna show you guys today how to do your eyebrows. Super quick, super easy, but everybody needs pointers, so today's what we're gonna do. So let's get started. What you're gonna see me be doing is you're gonna see me look at the camera and look at the mirror, look at the camera and look at the mirror. So what I use for my eyebrows is Anastasia Beverly Hills and medium brown. That's what I use. Boom. Can never go wrong with a little bit of Anastasia. So let me show you guys. So usually what I do is I brush my eyebrows up just like that, you know, shape them and then let's go. So you just want to follow the shape of your natural line already. See, I don't have that much eyebrows, so usually what I do is I don't all the way match it, but I try to get it as close to the line, but with a little bit of space so I can shade that in and make my eyebrows a little bit more thicker. That's usually what I do. And you can see that little space between right there at the ending, at the tail. You're about to see that get lit right now. Lit. Let's see the eyebrow turn from nothing to something. Okay? Alright. Okay? Alright. So, I'm just going to continue shading that in now.
Six on the beat.
What I did was I shaped them up. I shaped them first. I lined them up on the top and the bottom, and then I shaded after. So after I lined them up, I brushed my eyebrows. You know, like I brushed my eyebrows up. You know, you see, to cover so I can see where all the non-shading is happening. Where I need a little bit of more the shader. So here we go. I use here is the excess product that's already on the brush. I don't dip when I go into the beginning because I like this to look very like natural, very subtle. I don't really like my eyebrows looking too thick. I just like them to be like I like this beginning to be like a shadow like in the front, but then it was like shadow boom at the edge. You see? You go say it. You go say. Let me see now. I do the same thing with the other one. I shade first. I shade. See? Just like. And what I use to shade, I don't actually dip in again. What I use is, you see it in the extra, you see? Around the rim, when you like clean off your brush, I use that excess product and shade in my brows. I don't actually dip in again. I just wet it a little bit and shade the bad boy. Shade. Now let's continue to shade. Oh, made a boo boo. And if you make boo-boos, use the brush, use this brush and erase that bad boy. You saw that? Erase. Basically, like, it's not an eraser, but it kind of takes off the product off your brow. So it's kind of like an eraser, but it's really not. I'll call it the eraser. So right now it looks a little crazy because it's like a, but you're gonna see the final. This is usually how I usually do my eyebrows. Legit, this is like a process. It's a process, but it's worth it. You know why? Because my eyebrows is always on fleek. So like I said, excess powder. And you do it gently, you just brush your brows gently in the front. And I like frown my eyebrows. This is the savage. I like frown like in a mean way, like I get that boop. You see how they look all crazy right now? Gonna get to finish it. You see how they look all crazy right now? Just wait. Wait. And then we're gonna use my NARS concealer, okay? And Radiant and medium dark caramel. Caramel baby, caramel. Caramel baby, caramel. Caramel baby, caramel. Then I take a different brush. So there's two different brushes. One for my brows and one for the lining and the cleaning in the upper. This is the cleaning in the upper brush. So what I usually do is to clean my eyebrows. So like, you know, you see all of that? It's a little piece of hair on this one. So you see how like all of that? So we have to clean that up because that is not cute. And we is not gonna go like that. We is not gonna go out like that. Because we are the baddest mommies, okay? The baddest mommies. So what I do is I stretch my, you see? I stretch my bad boys out. And another thing about concealer too, if your eyebrows aren't done, you can always use the concealer to cover your hair under your eyebrow when they're not done. Tip from me to you. And me personally, I have a scar on my eyebrow right there, so I usually use it to cover it up because I don't like it. And it's crazy. I'm gonna tell you a funny story about that scar too. How I got it to the most stupidest way, but that's story time. I'm gonna tell y'all Max. I got juicy stories, cause I be getting crazy. I'm a retired player. Okay. So back in my young days before I met my beautiful husband. And I was young and out here, okay? Hey, bitch used to be out here, okay? That's another story. I can't give y'all all the tea in one vibe. Because, you know, we talking, we keep keying, we learning how to do brows. But I can't give y'all all the tea because then we're going to talk about later. Nothing. But you will. I got juicy stories. So let's get back to the brows. So we're gonna go clean them. So we're cleaning them now. You see that? Clean. See that? Hold up. Wait one second. Wait one mother second. Cause my lips is looking real dry on this little video. Hold on. Wait. Fancy, you know I love me my fancy word. You know I love me my fancy word. Ooh, sucker. Alright, so let's get into it. Back to the cleaning, cause we did get off topic. I know I got that juicy tea, but alright, back to the brows. Boom. So what I usually do is I drag my concealer down, also because it covers this and it gives you just an extra bit of clearness in the eyebrows and a little bit of discolorization. That way you don't have to put too much like eyeshadow primer. But that's just me. Everybody has their own thing. You know, everybody goes about makeup their own way because everybody has their own technique with their own face. But with me, this is what I do, and hopefully it works for you guys too, because that's the goal. Okay. So I clean the top. You see this brow? Look at these brows. Thank you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want me to do any other quick videos, any quick little hairdos, any quick anything, because I'm here to help and give you guys all that see. Signing off.